Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vite to set up your React application. This is not the only way you can set up your React applications, however, it's really quick and I think you'll enjoy it. Start off by first navigating to your designated folder and run the following command: npm create Vite at latest. Once you input this command within your terminal, you are going to be prompted with a few things. You're going to first see your project name, where you give it your desired name, you select your framework and your variant. It has plenty of options that you can choose from, so you don't have to use this only for React projects. You can also decide whether you want this to be a TypeScript-based project or a JavaScript-based project. Okay, now you are almost finished. Navigate to your application or your project and run the command npm install. This is going to install all of the node modules that you need, any packages that you need to get your project started. If you aren't familiar with Vite, Vite is a lightweight development environment used to build JavaScript framework applications. Pretty much think of it as a boilerplate application. It gets you all of the base files that you need. Now, before you can move forward to test to see if this actually worked, open up VS Code and open up the folder you just created. As you can see, you should be able to see your folder name and your project name. And you also see your node modules and all of the template files that comes with Vite. Now, you can run npm run dev. You're going to be taken to a local host, and here you can see that Vite set up your project for you. So, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment any more tutorial ideas you would like to see from this channel. Thank you for watching.